This is how you can find unlimited email addresses and phone numbers from LinkedIn. There are absolutely no limits. It's not like manual work or something. It's totally automated, and yeah, basically you get access to a lot of high quality data so that you can reach out to them via email, SMS, WhatsApp, cold call, whatever you want to do. The first thing you have to do is simply click on this link over here and download this free Chrome extension. So just click on the link and it's going to take you to this page which is like Closely, Email Finder and LinkedIn Data Scraper. Click on that to Chrome button, click on add extension over here and simply download this. Now mind you, Closely is actually a paid software which costs you like $189, $190 for just 1,000, 1,250 emails. But we're not going to be paying them anything. We're not going to be using that to actually scrape the data. But yeah, just download the free Chrome extension. And you need to go to LinkedIn people search. So just open up like LinkedIn and just start searching for people. So I just open up linkedin.com. Yep. After that, I'll click on the search button and yeah, just simply search for the type of people you want to work with. So let's say I want to work with roofing companies. I know I can just search for roofing, and a lot of people they're gonna have like the word roofing over there. After that, like just ensure you've clicked on people so that we can actually scrape the data. So yeah, if you click on the link over here, it's gonna open up LinkedIn people search, and then you can search for like keywords, whatever you wanna do. So let's say I wanted to search for fitness coaching or people who have like the word fitness coach in them. I can search for that. So let me take this example only. So I'll search for fitness coach. Let's say I wanted to search for people who are roofers. Obviously, a roofer is not gonna include the word roofer in his company, like in the profile. No one is gonna be like, yeah, I'm a freaking roofer. But they might include like the keyword roofing because like a lot of roofing companies have the word roofing in them. So I'll just search for like roofing over here. So you can see like he's the owner at Ghost Roofing. And after that, you can simply apply like all the different filters you have. And yeah, we can basically apply filters so that we get exactly what we're looking for. So I'll just like click over here on all filters and yeah, then I can like use locations as well. So let's say I only wanted people in like a particular city. Like let's say I wanted people in Phoenix, Arizona. I'll just do that. So I can like search for particular locations as well. Then I can apply like if I only want people who like work in a particular company, I can do that. That's not really important. Like if you are over here, you can like go through your connections. Like let's say I want people who are like connections of this person. I can do that. Not very useful or beneficial for me over here. When it comes to followers, if you want like people who follow a particular creator, then I can do it. For example, I know like Charlie Morgan is like a marketing guru, whatever. And if I wanted to sell like marketing services, I might include people who like follow Charlie Morgan or something. After that, you can include like if they worked at a particular company in the past or what school, university they went to, like what industry do they belong to. So I'll search for roofing. Roofing is not an industry. So yeah, maybe construction is the industry they might belong to. So I'll select like construction. After that, what languages they speak. After that, you can over here select like the categories of the service, like what category does it belong to. After that, over here where it says like title, you can basically like add keywords which they might include in the job title. So I know that let's say I'm trying to target like a roofing company, they'll probably include like the word like let's say owner or maybe the founder. So these are like keywords they might include. So add like all the keywords which they can include separated by a capital or. So now if like either they have like owner or founder in their like job title, and yeah, I'll basically see them. Yeah, basically just apply the different filters which are required, and now you're gonna see a bunch of different results. So yeah, over here as you can see we have around like 140 results, sorry. So on one LinkedIn page you can see like 10 results. So at once you can scrape 1000 results. But yeah, it's a pretty simple fix. So let's say I actually target like a bigger locality like Texas, like the entire state of Texas, so that we have like more results. So over here as you can see we have like more than 100 results. So yeah, we have total like 1000 results, but at a time you can only reach out to like 1000 people. So let's say you're getting 300,000 results. I'll just say narrow it down. So yeah, just like LinkedIn will only let you scrape the first 1000 results because LinkedIn allows you to see only like 100 pages and every page contains like 10 results. So 100 into 10 is like 1000. After that, once you've done it, there's going to be like this closely extension, this window over here. And if it's like small, like it might be minimize like this as well. All you have to do is simply click on this extension over here and then click on sign in with Google. You don't have to enter your credit card or anything, just sign in with your Google account. It's pretty simple and straightforward. And once it is done, yeah, you should see this button over here, which is like closely, and then there's the export button. Like it says like 50 free credits, whatever. Doesn't really matter. Just click on the export button over here. After that, you can select how many people you want to export, and like the maximum number is 1000 because LinkedIn does not allow you to scrape more than 1000 people. Again, what you can do, like let's say Texas has 980 people, I'll scrape Texas, then I'll like just choose another city or another state. Yeah, that's what you do, and then you click on the export CSV button, and now it's automatically going to start exporting all the different profiles and everything to like a CSV file. And I'll just pause the video. It will take like maybe 20-30 seconds, and yeah, then I'll resume. It's actually pretty fast. Yep, so now everything is complete. For some reason, it skipped like 312 entries. Doesn't really matter. So maybe you can see it like, yeah, first name was not accessible, whatever. And I think it's because like LinkedIn does not allow you to see like everyone. So let's say someone is not like my second or third degree connection, then I cannot see like the name and everything. So I think these 300 contacts are like the people who are not like first, second, or third degree contacts. Anyways, all you need to do once you like all the rows and everything have been processed, click on the save CSV button over here, and now the file has been downloaded. After that, simply open the CSV file in Google Sheets. So come here, click on blank spreadsheet, click on file. Oh, I clicked on the icon. So file, open, upload, and then simply select like the CSV file which you just downloaded over here. Yep. Now that it's run, we're gonna be using like we have like different fields like first name, last name, and like where they live, whatever, job title, and like the name of the company, whatever. And yeah, we're gonna be using like the name of the company to find like more information. And yeah, that's what we're gonna be using to enrich the data. So I'll actually just maybe like I'll try to like add a filter over here and remove like all the people who don't have like a company present. So I'll remove everyone. So I'll only select the people who have like no freaking companies, and I'm just gonna like delete all these entries because if we don't have a company name, it's like kind of hard to find the data. In the future, I'll definitely figure out a way as well to like find the name, email, phone number just from like the LinkedIn profiles or like their first and their last names. But yeah, there is a way. I'll create a tutorial in that too. Yeah, I just figured out a way. But in this one, we're going to be strictly sticking to like how to find it using like the company names. So I'm going to remove all the like entries which do not have a company name. And yep, now we have like a list of all the people who have the companies present, which is still a great. Like 435 people have a company. So like 60-70% of the people actually do have entries. So I'm just going to take like 100 records and copy them. You can do it for all the records up to like 1000 at once, but yeah, just to show you like quickly how exactly everything is done. Once you're there, you're going to go to the software known as Leadwave, which is absolutely great because if we come to the freaking pricing, you get unlimited freaking credits for $49 a month. Now, obviously, it might increase in the future as we get like more freaking users, but it's my software. I know what all is wrong with the lead generation softwares out in the market. So that's why I give you like unlimited credits. You can try it out for free as well. So you get some free credits too. Once you're here in the software, there's this feature known as company to domain. So over here, we have this feature known as company to domain. Just come here and paste a list of all the different name of the companies which we copied from like the CSV file and click on the convert to domains. It will take like 30 seconds to a couple of minutes, and yeah, then we're gonna find like the websites of the companies. So for example, like if I paste like Amazon over here, I'm gonna find their website known as amazon.com. So that's how it's gonna work, and I'll just let it run for a while till the time we don't see all the results. So yeah, now we have the list of domains ready. Obviously, if it could not find like the domain whatever, yeah, over here, let's say this is the company. We were able to find like their website, and over here they have this stupid protection whatever. I just go and let's see like if the data is fine and it's working and everything. So you can see like linear roofing, all these different things whatever. You can get a free code, everything. So I'll just click on the download CSV button over here, and now I'm going to open this up in Google Sheets. Browse and just upload like the file which we just downloaded right now, the list of all the different company domains. So what I'm now gonna do is I'm gonna copy like all these different domains as well, and I'm simply gonna paste it over here. So in the original file, I'll create like a thing known as domain over here. And yeah, I'll actually remove like all the different things like company, job title, because these columns they're not actually required. So I'll delete these columns, I'll delete these as well. So I just need like the first name, last name, like, and the domain. So I'll delete this column as well. Now actually going ahead and like finding data from this is pretty simple and straightforward. We have like two different ways we can do this. You can use like whatever one you think is going to be working better for you. So depending on the industry, one method might work better for you. And yeah, so I'll say try out both of them. They both are like absolutely like not free, but you don't have to pay anything extra. So try both of them, and yeah, whatever works, just see and use that. So first thing we can do is inside of Leadwave, we have this lead enrichment feature over here, and we can simply paste a list of all the different domains which we had just received right now from Leadwave only, and then we can click on the enrich domains button. And what it's going to do is it's going to basically go through an internal database of over 950 million leads, and it's basically just going to try to find like verified email addresses, phone numbers of everyone who's working in these companies. So that's like the route number one you can take. After that, we also have like I'll open Leadwave in another tab as well, so I can show you like how the other thing works. After that, you can come here, you can go to the dashboard, and then there's this thing known as verified email finder. So basically what this allows you to do, let's say I wanted the email of Mark Zuckerberg. I'll just enter like his first name, last name, and his domain like facebook.com. I'll click and find email over here. And yeah, now I can find like the verified email addresses. So if you want to do like only cold email outreach, we can use this. Obviously, we're going to be doing this as well. So what you need to do, click on the download template button over here, go to Google Sheets, click on open, and upload like the email template which you just downloaded. So open this template up, and now what we're going to do is simply copy all this data like the first name, last name, and the domain, and just simply paste it over there. So yeah, we did it for like the first 100 records. So I'm just going to come here, I'll copy this, and yeah, I'll just delete all these existing data, and I'll just paste all the data over here. One thing we can do is remove all the entities which do not have like a domain present. So obviously we cannot find like domains of all the entities. So I'll click on format data, and then I'll click on create a filter over here. Now I'm going to select this and like click on clear. So and after that just click on like blanks over here. So now all the entities which do not have like a domain, they're present. Select all of them, right click and click on delete columns, delete selected rows. And yeah, after that click on the filter, click on select all 51, and boom, yeah, now we basically have the first name, last name, and the domain of the company. Now we can download this data, click on the CSV file, and come back to like the verified email finder, upload the CSV file over here, and then we can click on the like close this pop-up. Yeah, you can click on the process CSV button, and now it's going to be processing all that data. In the meantime, our lead enrichment results are ready as well. So as you can see, we're able to find like the phone numbers, email addresses of all the different people who work there with different job titles. So you can actually like download the data. I'll show you what it looks like in Google Sheets. So I'll click on open, upload, browse, boom, uploaded, and yeah, we were basically able to find probably hundreds and thousands and millions of leads using this. So yeah, over here, if I show you, we were able to find like total 4,600 people who are working in the company over here. So yeah, you can see you have like, I'll go up and show you what all types of data you have. So yeah, you can see you have their first name, last name, their job title, you have like the email address, you have like the personal email address as well in some cases, like the Yahoo email address or like the Gmail address if you're able to find it. You have access to their phone number as well. A lot of the times these are their actual mobile numbers, they actually use WhatsApp on it. So around like 20 to 30% of them will actually have WhatsApp, so you can reach out to them via WhatsApp as well. And yeah, we give you access to a lot of different types of data, so you can do that. And this was one way, and I'll just go to like the CSV method as well. So over here, as you can see, like it was able to find some email addresses, some were obviously not been able to find, because if any tool in the market is telling you we're going to find like all the freaking email addresses, they're just probably giving you some crap. All these email addresses, they're like 100% valid. You don't even have to like get them verified or something. So it's 100% valid. I'll just click on file, open, boom, click on the upload button, click on browse, upload this, let it run. Boom. Now, as you can see, we have the first name, last name, and the verified email address. Now you can reach out to them, do outreach, whatever you wish to do. So yeah, these are like their email addresses, and yeah, that's how you can like scrape data from LinkedIn basically. So yeah, what we did is we went to LinkedIn search, we scraped the list of all the people, their first name and the last name, and then we use that information to like do two things. Either we can use like the verified email finder to use their first name, last name, and the domain of the company to find like their verified email addresses, or we can simply use the lead enrichment feature where we can paste like the domains of the companies and then find verified data from our internal database of 950 million plus leads. So yeah, that's how everything works. This is how you can literally find unlimited email addresses and phone numbers from LinkedIn. Hope this made sense. If you have any questions, just drop a comment here below and I'll be more than happy to help you out and get back to you. Have a lovely, awesome, fantastic day ahead. Bye bye man, take care.